Little one's out in the snow.
No.
Snow, yes.
Gotta go.
It's cold? Do you want to go back in?
No.
No? Okay.
That's full.
My shoes are covered in snow. So much snow. You trying to move? Oh my goodness. So this will be her second year seeing snow. And this is actually the first time she's actually walking in it by herself.
Mommy.
Yes, Autumn. Gabriel is supposed to be coming out here soon. Hopefully.
This is our nose.
Snow! Woohoo!
No. No.
Here comes brother.
That's some tall ones.
That's some tall snow.
Yeah. What is that? Guys.
Ah! No! Ah! I don't have my gloves. I need to go get my gloves.